Hey everybody, welcome back to the carving shed here in Virginia. Thank you for watching. We are carving the bison skull. This is, I think, part 4 of this series on this skull, carving it with a circuit board design. I did finish sketching out the design, so super happy about that. All we have to do now is just carve, and that'll be it. I'll be done carving it. I got some big plans for this after I am done, so we'll get into that a little bit later. But let's jump into carving it and see how far we get. Alright guys, let's go! Okay, it's a new day, the sun is out, and I'm going to have to switch up the burrs that I'm using. I have exhausted the capabilities of the cross-cut burrs just because I've used them so much. They're very dull, not cutting very well. I am going to switch over to using some dentist-style burrs. They're a lot smaller, but I have a ton of them. They work great. I will be using the inverted cone burr and then a carbide cylinder burr, so I'll show you those. So let's get back into it and keep plugging along. I am hoping by the end of today this thing will be done. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I had to take a pause because my air compressor stopped working. I had to go get a new one, or a new used one, to use with the Turbo Carver. It's an air-powered carving tool. I wanted to use that on the lettering that I wanted to put on this to make it a little more authentic to like a motherboard type of thing. I'll go ahead, hook that up. That is the last thing I have to do on the skull, believe it or not. Can't believe I'm saying that. But I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to actually take some nicer video of it so you can actually see it because it's starting to get dark. Let's do the letters real quick and then we'll be done! Yes! Alrighty guys and gals, thank you for watching. The carving is done, but the skull is not complete yet. I will be putting a silver metal finish on the skull, then aging it. That will really bring out the design, make it pop a lot. Should look like a Terminator skull when I am done, hopefully. And I am going to be making replicas of this skull, miniature replicas, for you guys, kind of give you an opportunity to have a copy of my work. I know a lot of you who are big fans have been asking like, hey, how can we support you, or do you have products that you sell? And this is going to be something, I'm not exactly sure how much it'll be priced. It'll depend on how much it costs me to produce them. But yeah, I will have those available. This is the first time I am letting that out of the bag. So follow me on Instagram if you would like to have a miniature copy of the circuit board Terminator skull. Alright guys, I will see you next week.